What if you could sew a gorgeous spring garment in just one day? No week-long commitments, no overwhelming instructions. Today I'm sharing 10 patterns that go from fabric to finished in hours, not days. And one of them is completely free. Perfect for when you want something new, but your schedule is packed. I'm Sarai, and after almost 30 years of sewing and 15 years of teaching people to build custom wardrobes, I've learned that the best projects are the ones you actually finish. Let's dive into these quick spring wins. Let's start with the Marlow shirt, which is honestly one of my favorite quick makes. This is an ideal short sleeve button up with a relaxed fit, a faced v-neck, and this really nice split stepped hem that gives it just a bit of visual interest without being fussy. What I love about Marlow is how it comes together so easily. No intimidating construction techniques, but the result looks polished and put together. The faced v-neck might sound fancy, but it's actually simpler than doing a traditional collar and placket. For fabric, you want lightweight to medium weight wovens. Think shirting, chambray, or flannel if you want something a bit more substantial. Lawn and voile are semi-sheer and perfect for layering. Rayon challis is gorgeous too, especially in spring florals. The key is choosing something that has nice drape but isn't too stiff. Marlow is actually a free download for this spring only, so if you've been wanting to try this pattern, now is the perfect time to give it a shot. You can find the download link in the description below. Just click and it's yours to keep. It's such a great starter project if you're new to button-ups, or if you just want something quick and satisfying to sew. Now, let's talk about the Idra wrap top, which is absolutely stunning. This is a timeless, romantic design that brings serious drama to your everyday wardrobe. What makes Idra special is the lined front bodice with these radiating pleats. You create this beautiful texture and movement that's just gorgeous. The deep V neckline and dramatic waist tie really enhance that wrap silhouette. And those billowing sleeves with gathered caps and elasticized hems add this soft volume that's so flattering. The back has waist shaping too, so even though it's flowing, it's not shapeless. This is perfect for elevating a simple pair of jeans, or you can pair it with the Everly skirt that I'll talk about later for a complete outfit. You can also wear Idra layered over dresses. It creates this beautiful bohemian look that's perfect for spring. For fabric, you want light to medium weight wovens that have good drape. Cotton lawn is beautiful and affordable. Cotton gauze gives you that relaxed, lived-in feel. Swiss dot is so sweet for spring, and rayon challis moves beautifully with those pleats. If you want to splurge a little, silk is absolutely divine in this pattern. The Cosmo blouse is a chic pullover top with this perfect balance of ease and shaping. The V neckline is flattering on everyone, and that soft, flat leg collar adds just enough detail without being fussy. What's really clever about Cosmo is how it's semi-fitted through the body with bust darts, but then has gentle elastic at the back waist. So you get that tailored feel in front, but you get comfort in back. Those gathered sleeves with elastic hems add a touch of volume that's very now, and the double fold hem keeps everything looking clean and polished. I love how versatile this one is. You can style it tucked into the Birch trousers, which are coming up, or pair it with any skirt. Worn loose with jeans, it's perfect for weekend errands. You could honestly make one for every season just by changing up your fabric choices. For fabric, you want light to medium weight wovens again. Shirting and chambray are classics. Linen and linen blends are perfect for spring. If you want something with a bit more texture, flannel is lovely for cooler days. Rayon crepe has this beautiful drape that works so well with the gathered sleeves. The Everly skirt might look like a simple mini at first glance, but has a few special details that really set it apart. The bias cut gives you this incredibly flattering fit that skims your body in all the right places. And that double layered design opens up so many creative possibilities for fabric choices. You can even skip the underlayer completely for a super quick make. I made mine in a floral rayon last spring and lived in it all season. It's that perfect spring piece that transitions effortlessly from cool mornings to warm afternoons. Because it's cut on the bias, you want fabrics that look nice with that diagonal grain. Linen is beautiful and gets softer with every wash. Chambray has this casual sophistication that's perfect for spring. Lawn is lovely and light. Rayon challis has that fluid drape that's gorgeous on the bias. And if you want to splurge, silk cut on the bias is also just divine. The Arbor skirt is pure vintage charm with modern ease. It's a timeless full A-line that's fitted at the natural waist with center front and back seams for this really flattering silhouette. What I love about Arbor is those inseam pockets. They're anchored at the waist so they don't pull or distort the line of the skirt, and that bound waistband adds this polished detail that really elevates the whole piece. This skirt is endlessly wearable. You can pair it with tucked in tees for a casual weekend look, or with any of the blouses we've talked about for something more dressed up. I love how the full A-line is flattering on so many body types. It creates this beautiful silhouette without being restrictive. For fabric, you have so many options with this one. Lightweight to medium weight wovens work beautifully. Linen is classic and gets better with age. Denim gives you that casual sophistication, and corduroy is gorgeous for transitional weather. Twill has nice structure, and chambray is always a winner. If you want something with more drape, Rayon challis or rayon crepe are lovely, and Cupro has this silk-like feel that's gorgeous but more affordable than actual silk. And before we keep going, don't forget about that free Marlow pattern I mentioned. It's such a perfect complement to these skirts, and since it's only free this spring, you'll want to grab it while you can. Links in the description below. The Birch trousers are wide-leg pull-on pants that blend comfort with tailored refinement. They're semi-fitted through the hips and then flow into this elegant wide leg that creates such a long, clean silhouette. What I love about these is how they feel relaxed but still look refined. You could wear them to work or to brunch and you'd be comfortable either way. The wide leg is so on trend right now, but it's also just universally flattering. It balances your proportions and creates this effortless elegance that's hard to achieve with fitted pants. And because they're pull-on, there's no zipper or complicated closures to deal with. For fabric, you want medium weight wovens with enough structure to support that wide leg silhouette. Cotton twill is classic and holds its shape beautifully. Linen and linen blends are perfect for spring. They have that relaxed feel but enough body to look polished. Rayon twill has this beautiful drape that's perfect for the wide leg silhouette. The Posie dress is such a feminine design. It's a woven surplice that blends subtle details with effortless charm. What makes Posie special is that it gives you the same crossover look as a wrap dress, but it's actually sewn closed. No worrying about gaping or the tie coming undone throughout the day. The fitted surplice bodice has bust and waist darts for a really flattering silhouette, and it's lined in the front for extra security. The back neckline is finished with single fold bias tape, which is such a clean, polished detail. Those short sleeves make it perfect for warmer weather, but you could easily layer a cardigan over it when it's cooler. I'm actually making one right now in this gorgeous rayon jacquard. I've been looking forward to sewing this pattern since we started working on the design about a year ago. There's something so satisfying about a dress that looks complex but comes together easily. For fabric, light to medium weight wovens work beautifully. Linen is classic and comfortable. Chambray has that casual sophistication. Swiss dot is so sweet and feminine, perfect for spring. Shirting gives you a crisp look, while batiste and lawn are softer and more flowing. Crepe and challis have this beautiful drape, or you could try Cupro again. The Pomme dress is perfect if you love knits but want something that looks more sophisticated than your average knit dress. It's a semi-fitted mini dress that follows your natural curves with a smooth, body-skimming silhouette. Those front and back princess seams create beautiful shaping without being restrictive. What I love about Pomme is how it's the perfect balance of simple, playful, and stylish. The construction is so straightforward, but the finished look is absolutely stunning. That mid-thigh length gives it such a fresh, modern proportion, and those gathered puff sleeves with soft elastic add just the right amount of charm. This is your go-to for spring occasions. Weddings, graduations, Mother's Day. It's dressy enough for celebrations, but comfortable enough to wear all day long. For fabric, you need medium weight knits with at least 35% stretch. Ponte is gorgeous and has great structure. It holds its shape beautifully. French terry might sound casual, but in the right color, it can look quite elevated. Double knits are classic for dresses. Sweater knits add texture and interest, and jersey is always comfortable and easy to work with. The fig cardigan is exactly the kind of cardigan that makes spring dressing so effortless. You can wear it buttoned as a sleek top or layered over absolutely everything. That classic crew neckline is universally flattering and so timeless. And the fitted shape keeps you looking polished whether it's open or closed. I've made 2 already and I'm definitely thinking about making a 3rd. Spring weather demands a good cardigan and fig delivers every single time. This was such a quick make. You could honestly finish it in an afternoon. We even have a video walking through the sewing steps if you want to see the process. For fabric, you want medium weight to heavyweight knits with at least 30% stretch. That stretch and recovery is really important for cardigans. You want something that bounces back to its original shape. Ponte is excellent for this. It has great structure and recovery. Double knit is classic, and merino jersey is luxurious. French terry gives you a more casual feel, and rib knits add texture. Sweater knits are perfect if you want that classic cardigan look. I made both of mine in merino wool jersey from the fabric store. It has great stretch and recovery, feels lightweight, isn't itchy at all, and has been perfect for layering in every season. The Thistle cardigan is designed for effortless comfort and everyday polish. With its straight cut through the body and semi-fitted sleeves, it strikes this perfect balance between relaxed and refined. That soft lay flat collar adds a subtle vintage touch without feeling fussy. And the neckline is cleanly faced with single fold knit trim for a smooth, polished look. What I really love about Thistle is how customizable it is. We actually did a recent video on different ways you can personalize a basic cardigan pattern using Thistle. There's so many possibilities. I'm making one for spring right now, and I'm so excited about the embellishment possibilities. For fabric, you want medium weight knits with at least 20% stretch. You want something with enough body that it doesn't look limp or stretched out, but still drapes nicely. French terry is comfortable and has nice structure. Sweatshirt fleece might sound casual, but it can look quite elevated in the right color. Quilted knit adds interesting texture, and ponte is always reliable. Double knit is classic, and sweater knit gives you that traditional cardigan feel again. I'm making mine in cream merino wool interlock from the Fabric Merchant in the UK. This particular fabric has such a soft hand, and it's quite stretchy too. And once you've got your spring wardrobe sorted with these easy makes, you'll want to keep that momentum going with some quick tops that are perfect for layering no matter what the weather brings. I'll show you exactly how to choose and sew tops that work with everything you just made, so watch this video next.